Okay, welcome to the Upfitter Interface Module programming video. Purpose of this video is to show you how to program a UIM and to save the file. When you open up the utility, you're going to get a screen that shows download and vehicle. Make sure that the vehicle tab is active and you'll see model year, manufacturer, model, and engine. You will have to populate each drop-down menu in order. So as you can see, manufacturer is shaded, model is shaded, and engine is shaded. At this point, all you can select is the model year. So for this example, we're going to click on model year, populate 2012. That then makes the manufacturer drop down active, and it will then show you the manufacturers that we have a solution for 2012. In this example, we'll pick Ford, progress over to model. We'll click on F Super Duty, and then it will give us our engine choices. We'll pick a 6.7 liter. Next thing we're going to do is click on Start, and this will bring up the screen where it shows us the 4 programmable pins. So the 4 pins that you as an upfitter can program on the UIM. Notice on the screen that there's logic here, so it's A or B and C or D. You don't have to use all 4. You can use only one, or in some cases, to build something more complex, you can use all 4 of the logics. We're going to show different examples of how to use these logics. So the first one, we're going to set up on pin 1 a vehicle speed warning. So we want to give a ground output signal, use that, hook it up to a relay that could then run a buzzer when the driver is speeding. So in this example, we're going to click on the drop down for vehicle speed. We're going to say vehicle speed is greater than, and for this example, we'll type in 73 miles per hour and hit enter. It's that simple. So for pin 1, we've now set up vehicle speed greater than 73. Next on pin 2, so I'll click on that tab. We're going to do something just a little more complicated. We're going to do an OR statement. And say we want to automatically turn on auxiliary lights when the vehicle, when either a switch is on or any headlight is on. So in this example, because it's an OR, we're going to do it A and a B logic. So first is click on A. We're going to go down to input where it says pin 1. So input pin 1 is equal to, in this particular case, we're going to say ground. So they're going to give a ground input, and that statement will be true. Or, keeping in mind A or logic B, we're going to say any headlight. So we'll go down and we'll find any headlight is equal to on. So on pin 2, the module will give a ground output if input 1 is giving a ground or any headlight is on. Next we'll go to pin 3. This one, once again, we'll set up kind of a basic, very simple statement. Say we've got telematics running on the vehicle. We want to capture an ABS event. Well, the UIM can provide that information. So what we're going to do on pin 3 is select ABS, go down here and scroll down and find ABS event. And while it's already selected, we're going to just show that ABS event is true. Then for pin 4, we'll do an AND statement on this one, where maybe we want to only allow a piece of equipment to operate if the vehicle's in park and the park brake is set. So we want to have some safety conditions that allow operation or activation of a piece of equipment. Maybe a crane, maybe outriggers, something of that nature. So in this example, we're going to use A and C. So A, first thing is look for transmission range. And we're going to say is equal to, so we don't have to change anything there, and park was the default, so transmission range equal to park, and because we're going to require park and park brake, we're going to check park brake is equal to on. So now we've got our 4 pins set, and what we want to do at this point is to save our configuration. Now notice here it's going to ask you for a specific format, either 3 alphas and then 3 numeric, or 2 alphas and 3 numeric. And for sake of this example, I'm going to say UIM, say for Intermotive 001 is the name of the file. Click on OK. It's going to bring up your 4 outputs so you can review them. So output 1, vehicle speed greater than 73. Output 2 is pin 1 equal to ground or any headlight on. Output 3 is ABS is equal to true. And output 4, transmission range in park and park brake equal to on in order to get our ground output. We're going to click on yes. It's going to pre-populate a file name for us. You want to keep that the same, don't change it, and click on save. There you have it. You've now programmed an upfitter interface module. It was just that simple.